Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to resize multiple rows simultaneously in Google Sheets. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Google Sheets document. Normally, click on this Google Chrome browser and after then type on the address bar sheets.google.com. And now open your Google Sheets document where you want to adjust the row heights. So I'm choosing a blank spreadsheet here. And now for adjacent rows, click on the number of the first row you want to resize. Here I am choosing it as 2 and hold down the shift key and click on the another row of your desired range. I'm choosing here 5. Make sure that you are holding your shift key on the keyboard. And here you can see that it is selecting all of the rows within 2 and 5. On the other hand, for non-adjacent rows, click on the number of the first row. I'm choosing it as 4. And then hold down the Ctrl key, or if you are using a MacBook, hold down the Command key on your Mac. And column you want to select. I'm choosing it as 7. Make sure that you are holding down your Control button or Command button. And now we have to open the Resize dialog. With your row selected, right-click on any of the highlighted rows headers. Right-click on it and choose Resize the selected rows. And in the Resize rows dialog box, choose specify row height. Now enter your desired height in pixels, for example 60. And now click on this OK button. And that's it. The size of the rows has been changed. The size of the rows have been changed. So that's all about today's video, how you can resize multiple rows simultaneously very easily. So if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.